A lot of people think that sustainability is incredibly hard to integrate into their business, and that's one common misconception. We try and encourage everybody to start small. Small little actions will have a big impact. Whether that's cutting out the plastics within your organization, looking at how you can reduce the carbon footprint across the board, or looking at different things that you can do to help the environment across the board as a whole. We encourage everybody. If you want to get involved, you can talk to anybody at 4Ocean. There's a ton of great groups out there as well that are driving sustainability forward with businesses, but it's not as intimidating as a lot of people think that it is. And we encourage you guys to get involved and make your business a little greener every day. Thanks, guys.